how to turn on or turn off high picture resolution settings to keep on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this 4 dot icon and click on this settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on settings to keep. After click on settings to keep, you will see high picture resolutions is here. If you want to turn on high picture resolution, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see high picture resolution is turned on. If you want to turn off high picture resolution, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see high picture resolution is turned off. You will turn on or turn off high picture resolution from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off high picture resolution settings to keep on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.